Hi guys, today we will watch how to cook best lechon and sisig in Cebu, Philippines.
This is insane. Today we are on Cebu Island in the Philippines. Now Cebu is famous for its pork lechon, and if I'm going to try lechon, I want to try the best. And that's why we are at Rico's Lechon facility, where they're preparing 2,000 to 4,000 pigs each month. And I'm lucky enough to be standing next to the man himself, Rico. Thank you very much for having me. Basically, I want to see the whole process from beginning to eating it. And the first thing you do is stuff the pig?
Yes, first we put spring onions inside.
We're putting a little green onion even into the neck cavity?
Yeah.
Basically, anywhere there's space inside, we want to stuff it full of delicious flavors that are going to permeate into the meat. So here we have crushed garlic. Oh, that smells amazing.
Put inside the stomach. I'm the first one who discovered the first spicy lechon in the Philippines.
So, of all the people making lechon, nobody thought to put some chilies inside.
Now,
So you're the first one to put these chilies inside the lechon?
Yes.
Wow, that's a lot of peppers. This pig is definitely going to have heartburn after this.
we put salt inside.
Salt. Okay. Let me know if you want me to help. I can put my hands in a pig too.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I also put,
All right, cool. I feel like this is like Martha Stewart.
I think this is all for the spices inside.
So now we have our sewing kit. This is a big needle. Let's see the master at work. This is probably good practice for a nurse or something. If you had a nurse and she's like, well, what's your experience? Well, I worked at Rico's for about 5 years. I sewed up all the pigs. That would work for me. I could never be a seamstress. This is not straight. Then we're going to kind of cross braid it to make sure it stays closed. And then we just got to sew up the neck. Oh my God, I feel like I'm in a battlefield in World War II. You're going to make it. I'm almost done. I have not stabbed myself yet. I'm sorry if there's any pig lovers watching this video. I'm also a pig lover, but for a different reason. Bam. The end. What is the next step?
Coloring. This one.
Coloring?
Yes.
I thought that was a Coca-Cola. Soy
This
sauce?
is a soy sauce, yeah.
Ah, soy sauce. Okay.
Okay, you can put soy sauce.
You put your hand in some soy sauce, and you kind of just gotta massage it like it's your girlfriend. Hey, do you have a long day at work, babe? Soy sauce, ladies, is great for your skin, by the way. If you want your skin to be delicious and crispy, ladies, try some soy sauce. Roll over. Good pig. Are you afraid we're showing your secret recipe? Are you afraid of that?
And also the
The feet. Okay, yeah. The only thing we don't eat is the oink.
we're going to cook this.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that's all right. I lift weights. You're gonna show me how it's done here. Almost any animal can be lechon, right? Like chicken lechon,
We also have goat.
goat lechon. So just on a rotisserie.
Yes.
How long do I need to do this? Do you want
1 hour and 40 minutes.
1 hour and 40 minutes?
Yes.
Oh. So you used to make it this way when you were young?
Yes. We are using now
Machine?
Machine.
So obviously this is the old style of doing the rotisserie. This place, they're putting out so many pigs, so much lechon each day that they don't do it this way. They have machines, which we're gonna go see in a second. Bye. We saw how they used to do it, and we're gonna see how they do it now. Oh my gosh, this is insane. So they've got the machines here. These skewers are different. They're obviously steel skewers, so they can just clean them and reuse them every time. And they've got them attached to this machine, rotating them at the precise speed. This is between 100 and a bajillion degrees. The skin is turning brown, and you can actually hear it crackling as they turn. By the way, to the vegetarians, thanks for your patience in this video. There's something interesting that happens, because when we go from the raw white pig, it is a little disconcerting, it's a little strange looking. And this is where the pigs start to look like actual food. The pig is like this perfectly designed vessel to be roasted and cooked in its own juices. The skin keeps everything inside, the fat adds moisture, and then it's just adding and sending all that flavor to the protein. So every layer while you're eating is absolutely delicious, whether it's a foot or some belly fat or an ear. Okay, look. We don't want the lechon getting dirty. Sometimes you gotta mop them off a little bit. Rico, my man, I notice he's mopping the pig. Is that a sauce mop?
Yeah.
That's a sauce mop?
Yes, like the other one.
Like soy sauce?
Yes.
Wow.
The same.
That's how insane this level of production is. They're not using a little brush. They have a sauce mop from here,
Going to the restaurant.
just going right to the restaurant, and it's ready to eat. Wow. What's going on here?
What we're doing now, we're going to make a portioning of the lechon. Wherein our chopper will cut it first. She will do the feet.
Do you have to be strong? Because she just lifted that whole pig out of there. Dude, oh my God. The skin, it just comes right off. One pig makes how many portions of lechon per people?
Around 28 kilos.
28 kilos.
Yeah, 26 to 28 kilos.
So that for me, that would be lunch and dinner. Off with its head. Head meat. Head meat is some of the best meat. That's what I always say.
That's where we get also for the sisig.
The main special ingredient of sisig is the head part.
The head part.
Okay.
The head meat.
You guys have sisig here?
Yes.
Can I try it?
Yeah, we'll try it. Definitely.
Hi there.
Hello.
First of all, thank you for the hat. I saw the chef like a master, like a virtuoso on the CC. He took red bell pepper, green pepper, onion, oyster sauce, some extra special seasonings, and then real chunks of pig face.
Big face.
Wait, maybe there's some nose, there could be some cheek, there could be a little forehead, all together.
And ears.
And ear, yeah, do not forget the ears. Honestly, I've never seen something that looks more delicious. And that's not just because it's 3 p.m. and I haven't eaten yet today. They brought me a bowl. Can I just eat it off of here?
Yeah.
This was cute. This was cute, but I'm just gonna eat it right off the hot pan. Oh, and then before plating, melted some butter on this hot plate and then just dumped everything on top. Oh, a lot of people in the US think that maybe eating the pig face is strange, except for they also eat hot dogs. I believe this is my first time having the sisig in the Philippines. Plenty of meat on there. There's the crispy skin.
Voila.
It's making me emotional. All these chefs, I don't want to cry in front of the chefs. The meat is roasted so perfectly with a little extra butter. I like the extra butter. This is one of the best things I've ever eaten.
Really?
No
Good to
joke.
hear that from you.
This was absolutely amazing. I'm gonna stop eating so the camera guy can try some. And now we're gonna try finally just the
lechon.
Ain't it strange when it's like no time has passed, nothing's changed, like an old fallen built to last. There are details, let's not get stuck on those.
We have seen the pigs, how to stuff them, how to rotisserize them, how to cut them into little pieces. And now, the reason we are here, the king of Cebu, Rico's Lechon with Rico himself. Are you ready? Okay, so we have this beautiful little tin of
Small
rice.
chicken.
Yeah. Scoop some on the plate.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna make our sauce. We're gonna put in some vinegar and some soy sauce. And you're gonna squeeze the calamansi in there like that?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yes.
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 As good as Filipino?
Yes.
Thank you. So I've been looking at the skin all day, hearing it crackle when it was on the rotisserie, and I saw this nice woman cut it up over here. She was hacking it into little pieces. Pig skin has never looked so delicious. Let's try it out. Oh my god. Unbelievably crunchy. Hold on, let's have another bite. Crunch skin. They like when I crunch into the mic, so then they can hear it.
Okay.
I don't know if they really like that. I like it. Some of the lechon, so tender. I put the meat in here,
Yeah.
and then just eat some rice with my hands. I like it. All right. Oh, this is so soft, so fatty.
Tastes good?
Oh my god. That's incredible. Super juicy, it's soft, it has a ton of flavor to it. Then you put the vinegar on there too already, and it adds a different kind of pop to it. And a little bit of freshness with the calamansi, with that citrus. Unbelievable. Nice big hunk of meat. This is the spicy lechon, which was essentially invented by this man right here, by putting the chilies inside of the pig before roasting. It's a fiesta in my mouth. This one is great. It's just a little bit spicy. It's not really spicy. It just adds a different kind of flavor to it. Mainly a spicy flavor. This is probably one of the best foods I've had in my life. And absolutely my favorite thing I've eaten in the Philippines so far. It goes beyond culture. It's a pig. So many cultures eat pig, or eat pork I should say. And if done correctly, it transcends borders. And we're bringing nations together today, guys. I'm gonna end this video so I can eat without looking at a camera and trying to think of interesting things to say. If you find yourself in Cebu City, I promise you will not be disappointed if you come here. The experience goes well beyond the food. The hospitality here is amazing. Just shooting with these people, they've been nothing short of generous, helping us in every way possible. So I'd like to say thank you. I would shake your hand, but it's full of pig fat. So can we pound it?
No.
Okay, we still. All right, pork fat, handshake. All right, cheers. Thank you so much, and salamat.
Okay.
Cut.
Salamat.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.